personal na legal na opinion ko, kanina ko pa iniisip yung kaso na
Oo.
yan. Sabi ko pa, paano na-terminate yan? So kasi tiningnan ko muna kung sino talaga yung nag-file ng complaint against
Marcoleta.
Marcoleta. So lumalabas dito, motu proprio, nagsampa ng reklamo ang COMELEC laban kay Senator Marcoleta. Correct me if I'm wrong, kung mayroong private individual na nagsampa ng reklamo kay Marcoleta laban sa dito sa violation ng SOSE niya under section 99 of the Omnibus Election Code. Kasi ganito yan dinismiss nila yung kaso or tinerminate nila. Ang term nilang ginagamit termination of the case for lack of evidence. Sabi
Opo.
nila, wala naman daw willful intent on the part of Senator Marcoleta
Opo.
to commit yung omission nung pagpapay ng SOSE. Wala daw intent. Kasi in a criminal case, kailangan mo magkaroon ng intent if the character of the offense is mala-inse. Pero upon reviewing the Omnibus Election Code this afternoon,
Yes
the
po.
Noble Code in Section 99 and Section 264 of the Omnibus Election Code is a mala prohibita. Ito alam na alam to ng first year law student. Ang mala prohibita, ang sinasabi lang dyan, pag may pinagbawal ng COMELEC na dapat wag kang lalagpas sa gastos sa kampanya ng 10 piso bawat isang botante, o kaya dapat pag may nag-donate sa iyo, i-declare mo kaagad sa iyong statement of contributions and expenditures. At kapag hindi ka nagdeklara, magiging liable ka administratively and criminally. So the moment you committed the violation of Section 9, and since this is a mala prohibita nature ang offense na yan, so there is no need on the part of the COMELEC to prove willful intent and good faith on the part of the respondent Marcoleta. Yung the mere commission of the violation of Section 9 is already enough to disqualify or to impose a penalty of fine against Marcoleta. Ang pinagtataka ko, mala prohibita pagkatapos hinanapan mo ng intent and then nandito tong good faith, ginamit nila yung good faith, di ba? May sinasabing good faith si chairman. Ngayon, siguro ang ginawa nila, kaya ko tinatanong sino nag-initiate ng move to file the complaint, motu proprio pala to, kinumbine nila yung violation of Section 99 sa violation of perjury under the the revised penal code. Perjury. Pag perjury, magkakaroon ng technicality. Kasi ang perjury is a mala inse. Sa perjury, there is a requirement that there must be an intent on the part of the senator. Sabi kanina ni Chairman Garcia, wala namang intent, in good faith siya. Nagkamali naman siya, pero inamin naman niya na talaga nagkamali siya. So walang intention na talagang mag-violate ng rule. Pero kasi may technique, may dito, kaya ko tinatanong kung may private individual na nagsampa, aside from COMELEC, sa motu proprio power nila, makakakita kasi dito ng paghihinala kasi yung violation of Section 264 and Section 264 yata yon ng Omnibus Election Code ay it can stand alone without including the offense or the crime of perjury. Kasi pag sinama mo yung perjury, magkakaroon talaga ng technicality na talaga madidismiss o mateterminate yan because hahanapin nila yung willful intent on the part of the one who violated the election offense o election law. Sana ang ginawa dito, nag-file ng complaint or nag-initiate ng complaint on the basis of purely violation. So dapat doon lang ibinase. Tsaka sa Section 264 of the Omnibus Election Code.
Okay po.
From there, mala prohibita talaga yon. Pwedeng may chance ang si Marcoleta kasi yung hindi lang pagsusumite ng statement of
Sose.
contributions, no?
Oo.
Tsaka yung donation sa
Mm-mm.
kanya ng mga sponsors niya
Mhm.
during the campaign period ay enough to convict him of an election offense. Yun ang
Oh,
problema doon.
naku.
Sila yung nag-motu proprio, nag-file ng kaso,
Mm.
tapos sinama ni, kung gusto mo talagang i-ano yan, pinag-separate mo yung complaint. Separate
Hiwalay
perjury,
partner o
separate
ay
violation of 264 of the Omnibus Election Code.
mm.
So para umusad ng maganda yung kaso without incurring any technicality in the case that would lead to termination or dismissal of the case.
Mhm.
Yun ang
Eh,
problema
kaso
diyan. So kaya
oo.
na si Marcoleta,
Oo,
ang
oo.
hindi mo alam kung ano ba to, intentional, ba't mo sinama yung perjury? But sana, since
Mm.
violation of Section 9 can stand alone without including perjury, i-separate mo, then definitely, since this is a mala prohibita, definitely, Marcoleta will be convicted.
Okay, attorney. Pero
Yun ang problema kasi hindi natin alam minsan ano
oo,
ba to,
oo.
naglolokohan ba tayo dito?
Pero partner yung ano no, yung tatlo na yun nga nagbigay ng donasyon, partner. Ito pa ngayon ang ano, nako mahaharap
Pero
sa
kasi there is also a requirement under the Omnibus Election Code na yung
dapat
mga
sila.
nagbibigay ng
Oo,
donation
oo.
na they are required to submit a report also within the period of 1 month yata yan,
Oo,
and then
attorney.
figure on their part to file a report to the Commission on Election. May
Oo.
administrative liability yan, no? At
Di
pero
nila
hindi yun ang
ni-report.
point dito yung kay Marcoleta
Eh kaso partner, na,
Yung kay Marcoleta kasi, ang problema, sana kung may law student dito sa sa audience natin,
oo.
kung gandang i-discuss itong
Mm.
mala prohibita na to, and then mala inse. Comparing mala prohibita versus mala inse, and then what will be the effect if this is a mala prohibita case, and all
Mm.
election offenses, no? Ay kino-consider yan na mala prohibita Pagkatapos
Oh,
ngayon, yan na sinasabi mo, wala namang intent to
intent.
commit the crime. O
Oo.
medyo may problema doon. Tapos sinabi mo kasi may perjury.
Mm.
Nahalo. So dapat kung ganun pala, kung ako yung COMELEC, ako nag-file ng kaso, motu
Oo.
proprio, sana hiniwalay ko yung perjury. Nirecommend ko na lang i-file sa ombudsman yan o sa regional trial court,
Mhm.
no, na tampahan ng perjury yan. And separately, let's proceed with the conduct of the hearing for
Oo.
violation of Section 264 of the Omnibus Election Code. So
Election
walang
code.
problema. Kasi
Mm.
titingnan mo lang dyan, nag-submit ka ba ng report?
Oo,
Hindi.
dapat
Na
tanungin.
dineclare mo ba yung donors mo, yung sponsors mo?
Hindi.
Hindi, gusto nila anonymous. Regardless kung anonymous yan or whatever.
Dapat.
For as long at sinabi mo, ikaw mismo, inadmit mo na sa sarili mo
Mm.
Hindi ka nag-file Hindi mo
Eh
dineklara.
di ikaw
No?
dapat yung ano.
Ang sinabi mo pa gusto nila anonymous. Wala akong pakailan. Mala
Mm.
prohibita to.
Dapat
The
ikaw.
failure to
Oo.
declare is already a violation, and therefore you will be held liable and you may be disqualified as a senator.
Attorney Bueno, law and beyond. Learn the law, know your